Hello guys, good evening. Today's topic is how you can save your document file with password. So today's topic is related to that, how you will save your document file with password. And first of all, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button so that whenever I upload the new videos, no notification will comes to you. Before starting the video, first of all, you have to open the MS Word. After opening the MS Word file, MS Word, you have to create a file. Whatever the file you want to create, you will create it here. Suppose I am creating a file here, generation of computer. So here I am creating a file, generations of computer, and now I want to save this file with password so that nobody can open it without entering the password. Then what I have to do, these are the steps for that. First of all, we have to click on the office button. After clicking on the office button, you have to go to the save button. After clicking the save button, a pop-up window will appear. And this file, generation of computers, suppose I am whatever the folder wherever you create this file or where you have to save that file, I am saving this file on the desktop. In the desktop, generations of computers, suppose I want to save this file with password. What I have to do, go to the bottom, tools, click on that, then go to the general options, then enter the password. Again enter the password, then click on OK button. Then we have to re-enter password to open. Click on OK button again. One more time we have to enter the password, means that we have to enter the password 4 times. Then click on OK. Then click on save button. Now this file is saved with a password. Now if we want to check it, if this file is saved with password, what I have to do, I will close firstly Microsoft Office Word, then again I will go to the file. Suppose my file, generation of computer, I saved it in the desktop. This file, generation of computer, double click on it. Now without entering the password, this file will not be opened. Firstly, I have to fill that password if I want to open this file. So I will enter the password. Okay. After entering the password, the file will be open. It means that with the help of this, you can save your document files with password. And in MS Word, as well as in Microsoft Excel, as well in Microsoft PPT, whatever the doc file, PDF file, PPT file or Excel file, you can save it with password. So I hope today's topic is liked by you. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button so that whenever I upload the new videos, the notification will comes to you. Thank you.